how is it playing out for you? How do you feel it at all for a company like Google, which is again something I'm going to ask him, because I really want to know how is it playing out in organizations such as Google and Facebook? Is there a Gen Y at all?
Okay. So first of all, I think I won't be able to live up to your expectations on fist fights. Talking about Google or broadly the internet companies, we would perhaps bring in a slightly biased view because we are ourselves Gen Y companies, right? And for Google, it's 15 years of existence. We love to believe ourselves as teens, yet to get onto an adult phase of a corporate life. If I look at the employee base, barring a few exceptions like me, it is all Gen Y. And the reason for that, adding to what Sunita said, is your user base or your consumers, are belonging to that generation. So it's a very conscious effort that you represent that view in terms of the hiring that you do. And what we have found out is, obviously, as leaders and as managers, you would have a lot of the Gen Y or baby boomer population. But how do you encourage the creativity that comes with Gen Y? And a couple of things, I think, as thought starters that we have found to be more true for us is, hire great talent. Really, really be rigorous about whom you hire. Once you hire them, give them an environment that really resonates with them. Don't try to corporatize them, right? I think somewhat of what I started my career in L&T, right? Then I went to a company called CESC, which is part of the RPG group. And I had some, coming out from an engineering college, I had some tough times getting out of my hostel life to corporate life and the ebony, kind of interiors and stuff like that. Just take that away. All that it takes is a different environment, an environment where people can ease into, right? So that's the second piece. And the third piece, what we have found true is hire great people, give a good environment, and just get out of the way, right? Don't get in their way, right? And I think that has proven to us in terms of whether the new products that we launch, whether the new initiatives or the innovations that come in, that's the disproportionate benefit that we see.